In injection molding, ejector pins get complicated fast. So we asked a simple question. What if we just picked the part? Automation that removes parts by grabbing the screw from the back side of the mold. No ejector pins required. That means lower tooling cost, simpler mold design, fewer failure points, while keeping the same cycle time. Pick the part, not push it out. For suitable geometries, you can go pinless. It holds the sprue until the part releases, reducing manual handling and simplifying the entire removal step. Bottom line, make more, spend less. Learn more at APSX.com. Performance depends on part geometry, material, and mold design.